Keep your files in sync and easily accessible on your Mac with Dropbox, right within Finder. First, download and install the Dropbox desktop application for macOS from Dropbox.com. Once installed, launch it. After launching, click Sign In if you have an account, or create a free account if you're new. Grant Dropbox file access permissions to enable seamless syncing between your Mac and the cloud. If you chose to sign in, enter your Dropbox email and password on the login screen. Upon logging in, Dropbox will set up your sync folders. You can sync all or select specific folders to manage your Mac storage. Your Dropbox is now connected, appearing as an icon in your Finder sidebar for easy access to all synced files and folders. Changes made to files within this Finder folder uploads, downloads, edits, or deletions will automatically sync across all your devices. Enjoy up-to-date, accessible, and secure files on any device, anywhere.